Hello friends, today I came to know about a wonderful information which we have in our daily life. We use it. So I thought to share with all of you. The concept is it's so easy to focus on what we don't have in life rather than enjoying the things in our life that we do have. Have you ever heard of missing tile syndrome? This is something that we all tend to have. What it exactly is? We generally emphasize what is missing instead of what is present with us. What is negative instead of what is positive in our life. So that is the missing tile syndrome. It is a term defined by Dennis Prager. It simply focus on things which we are missing and thus robbing ourselves of happiness. Just imagine if you are going to a museum and looks up and see a beautiful ceiling made up with thousands of tiles. As you look around, you notice that one of the tiles is missing, although the rest of the ceiling is perfect and beautiful. But now we will not be able to enjoy its full beauty just because this that one tile which is missing. Upon that one missing tile, our mind gets deflected of beauty of the ceiling. This has been called the missing tile syndrome. It similarly reflect our aspects of thinking of life also. If we relate with others, then we always see that we are missing something and we always try to achieve maximum and perfect in our life. There are some desires, these are the missing tiles, which we cannot achieve. So that get reflects. Although the missing tile in ceiling can be fixed and looks the ceiling perfect and beautiful again. But unfortunately, human beings have no limit of happiness and there is not such perfect life. So that's what exactly people tend to have. We may experience physical and psychological symptoms, unhappiness, anxiety, sadness, ungrateful. So how to prevent this missing tile syndrome? Number one, be grateful and thankful whatever we have, and we should be grateful to God and universe for the tiles or the things which we have in our life to be happy and for a better life. We may not have everything in life, but we could have something. Feel yourself with feeling of contentedness. This will make ourselves satisfied with things, whatever we have in our life. As in life, we cannot have everything, but we must have something. And do not be covetous. It is marred by inordinate desire for the same wealth as someone else have. So as a human being, we always think and compare with others, and because of this thinking, we sometimes suffer with negative behavior. So we should avoid all these things. And because of this negative feeling, we feel unhappy and we feel sadness, we feel inferiority complex, we feel hopelessness, we feel dissatisfaction, we feel helplessness. So, what exactly we should do to overcome these problems? Number one, forget it sometimes. What is missing in life? Number two, we should work to get what is missing in life, if that is possible, and try to modify the way to get the satisfaction of those missing things. Number three is try to find a replacement or alternative. Sometimes we find, sometimes we may not. Then substitute it with something acceptable. Number four, accept it or forget it. If the missing things is not achievable, try your best to forget it and not to think much about it. If we cannot change the things, at least accept it. That will give us some satisfaction. Number five, replace the missing item with something else. If suppose we want to play cricket successfully and we cannot play it successfully, then try some other sports where you can be successful. Number six, decide with or without. What is decide with or without? So we have to decide whether we should remain always happy no matter with or without that missing tile. If we can achieve it, that's good. If we cannot achieve it, forget it and replace it. Number seven, if the missing tile is the center of our happiness and it's the circle of our power, then focus how to get that missing tile. So find a good job, find more money, find more wealth, whatever you want to achieve, and you think that it's a missing tile. So most of what is missing in our lives, or what we think is missing, cannot be replaced. Unlike that ceiling of museum where one tile was missing. Most of what is missing in our life, or what we perceive is missing, cannot be fixed. So instead of focusing on the missing tile in life, we should always try to fix that tile with some alternatives. So we should not worry about the missing things in life, and we should divert our thoughts in such a positive way that we feel happy, and we should feel grateful for what we have already in our life. So one thing which is to be remembered, that we can control our attitude, mental attitude particularly. So when so many things are there in our life to be happy, we should live with love and life to full enjoy. That's the main things what we can do. Thank you.